You have $100,000 and you want a German sports car that does 0 to 100 in under 4 seconds? Introducing the AMG CLA45 S and the BMW M2. They'll get the job done. And if you want to save a bit of money, you can do what the Chinook did. Get yourself a Golf R, spend another 20 grand on tuning it, and see how fast it goes down a runway. That's what we're going to find out today. Half-mile drag race, followed by a roll race. Then the German Chinooks are on their way, and they don't have budgetary constraints. They're bringing a C63 SE performance and a BMW M3 xDrive competition. They're going to run against each vehicle down the runway. You get to see everything race today, and the races start now. The Mercedes-Benz AMG CLA45 S has a hand-built AMG 2-liter turbo that's one of the most powerful production 4-cylinders in the world, making 416 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque. It runs to 100 kilometers an hour in about 4 seconds, weighs about 3,700 pounds, and is an absolute pocket rocket. Beamer Boy is comfortably behind the wheel of the BMW M2 Coupe. It has a 3-liter inline-6 that's turbocharged, making 453 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque. It has a curb weight of just over 3,800 pounds, but that's not its biggest challenge. It's the only one here that's rear-wheel drive, so it's going to take mad Beamer Boy skills to get that power down and gap the other two. The Chinook has brought a Volkswagen Golf R that's far from stock. It has an APR Stage 3 Power Max turbocharger system and an integrated engineering Pro-Core high-flow downpipe. Runs only on E85 fuel and makes as much as 543 horsepower and 435 pound-feet of torque. It comes in at a weight just under 3,500 pounds, which makes it light and nimble. It's ready to rip down the drag strip today up against a stock AMG and a stock BMW M. Which one's going to take the crown? Let's find out if the Chinook has the right formula. I can tell. I can see it in the corner of my eye. You're not gonna... Come on! Not again! Not again! Not again! No! No! You got me. Well, that's it, boys. That's it, folks. As good as she's gonna get. Good run, though. M2 again, always getting it in the roll. Oh, and here comes the Golf R. I just got whipped. No, sucks. Wow, that was a good roll. The German Chinooks have entered the chat, and they've brought the two arch nemesis of one another, the BMW M3 and the AMG C63 SE performance sedan. The BMW M3 Competition xDrive is the refreshed LCI. It makes 523 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque, weighs just under 4,000 pounds, and runs to 100 kilometers an hour in only 3.5 seconds. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz AMG C63 SE Performance comes in at a curb weight of about 4,800 pounds, and yes, it's a 2-liter inline turbocharged 4 that's made it to a hybrid assisted system, but makes 671 horsepower and 752 pound-feet of torque. It runs to 100 kilometers an hour in about 3.3 seconds. Let's see how these fare up against the 3 that they're going up against today. So we had a couple of our fans from the channel show up here today. They accepted our challenge to come back and see the M2 run again. They are BMW fans, and we appreciate you and love you guys too. But they had a chance to see just how challenging it was to get that M2 off the line, and that much power could really benefit from an xDrive system. You saw that in the M3 today, because with xDrive, it just took off and went. But we're not gonna run this race again. I think we've proven this point and put it to bed. What's really the question here, is it worth spending over $20,000 on that Stage 3 APR tune kit on the Golf R and then having to hunt for an E85 fuel station just to keep it at those power levels? And it actually doesn't even run on anything but E85. It's really a question you need to ask yourself. The other thing you want to keep in mind is that the M2 had a lowered suspension, had wider tires to make it a little bit more sticky off the line. It was actually slightly modified. The Golf R was heavily modified, and the CLA45 S was the only one here that was bone stock, other than what the German Chinooks brought. Those were both bone stock. We hope you enjoyed what you saw here. This was a ton of fun making this, and we want to do even more. And we do it all because of what you suggest to us. So don't forget to comment, like, share, and make sure you're always subscribed, turn on notifications, and BDTYYC out.